flanger technique. So a flanger is related to all these other time-based effects in the same way. You're delaying the signal, and this time instead of altering the pitch like we did with chorus, this one it's kind of a combination of both pitch and delay time. So this originates from locking up two tape machines with the same information on both of them, and where you kind of hang on to touch the tape reel a little bit to slow down or speed up the tape on one machine, and then it tries to catch up back with the other one. And so what happens is it kind of slows down and speeds up, and that changes both the pitch and the delay time. And so what happens is you get this cool kind of flanging effect, as we call it nowadays, because that is what it's been defined as. So we're going to start by going a little extreme here. We'll put a flanger on the lead vocal, and it's going to make her sound more like a robot sort of thing. Obviously that's not what we're looking for in this song, but you can hear what's going on, and you can see what we can do with this. So okay, so that's our regular flange, and then there's the ADT one, which is slightly varied. The cool thing about this, we have a mix here, and that's the original signal, and this is the affected signal, which is just simply, that affected signal is just being varied slightly, but it's the combination of both of them together, where sometimes they're together and sometimes they're off a little bit, that gives you this really cool flanging effect. Okay, so obviously when we put this in there, you can hear how that's that cool effect on her voice. Okay, that's not really useful in this song, but what we can do is, in order to take those delayed signals that we had for her, remember our little delay that we set up with her? We can actually put a flanger on her delayed signals, and then let me turn this up a little bit so you can hear it.
Don't worry, oh no. See, you don't understand. This is just a spot in your life. It won't last. Don't worry, no, no, no. Don't.
Okay, and we can even, because we're putting this after the delay, we can unlock this plugin and affect the left and right separately from each other. So the right one, we could adjust what's happening there.
Don't worry, oh no. See, you don't understand. This is just a spot in your life. It won't last. Don't worry, no.
Okay, and maybe what we want to do is kind of bring her in, not quite as crazy panning. Okay, and if you bring this in and bring it down a little bit, you're not really getting that crazy effect of when it was just on her voice, but by putting on the delay, you're kind of fattening up her vocal a little bit more by making that delayed signal not just a straight up delay. You're doing something to it to liven it up and make it sound a little different. So okay, so kind of cool. Fatten up the vocal, add some crazy little effect in there, and kind of sneak it in there, where it's not like here we've made her sound like a robot, but we've kind of highlighted her delays there and fatten up her vocal. And that's some flanger techniques.